Hi, my name's Doug Bowie. I work for Emerging Communication Technology program at Howard University. And we are in 008 Schoonover Center when our data center. So when we talk about the cloud, most of the time we talk about great big, this is what the cloud turns into, are a number of big racks of gear with blinky lights and loud fans, which is why I'm talking really loud. But this is where the heartbeat of our lab program exists, where we run a variety of virtual sessions for our students to interact with virtual objects. And so you'll notice most of these computers, they don't have monitors or keyboards or mice. They're not designed for normal human interaction. They're gigantic CPUs and RAM and hard disks so that we can run virtual lab sessions. We have about 150 terabytes of hard disk space in this space to store anything from video game assets for our VR game design program to running virtual sessions for our ITS programs, GNS3 sessions for labs. We run about 4 terabytes of RAM in all these different boxes to support those kind of ideas. And we're probably running 128 cores, so that's CPUs. Your typical laptop has 2. Your typical desktop might have 4. So we're running a lot of different resources in here to support our cloud, our ECT cloud infrastructure. All right, so this is one of our racks. We've got a variety of high-powered servers that we've purchased and configured with hypervisors to run our virtual sessions. We run UPSs in the rack as well to give us battery backup when the power goes down. The other side of the rack has a variety of switching equipment in it in order to support the networking that's required to keep all these pieces of equipment connected and functioning in all their various roles and needs. One of the other things we create here and inside ECT and ITS is monitoring of the space. So we've designed and built ITS PIT units, which stands for Pi Temperature Sensor. That's a Raspberry Pi with a temperature sensor unit on the end to manage and monitor temperature, pressure, and humidity in the space. And we have a variety of them throughout all of our different spaces. So when you see these little orange boxes or red boxes, we're monitoring the temperature. So temperature goes way up, that can be very bad on our equipment. So we'll call facilities and work with them to try to turn the air conditioning on, bring the pressure down or bring the humidity down. Pressure is not a big deal, but humidity can be bad on our equipment, cause rust and that kind of stuff. So we try to monitor that in order to keep a management on the space is important.